Curtis, when we were talking before, you mentioned one of the first steps in working with our more chronologically gifted but buyers and borrowers is that you do a proposal for the loan. Tell me a little bit about what that is.
Well, on a forward mortgage, it's basically a good faith estimate. You go over and you find out what the rates and fees and things like that are. On a proposal is much the same, only it covers the FHA home equity conversion mortgage.
Okay.
And in that proposal, it shows you, how much you can buy, how much you need to put down in order to not have a payment. And it'll also tell you if there's equity, if you're, refinancing your house, what your equity position is, how much cash is available to take out
Okay.
of the home. Even sometimes the best thing we can do is just make it pay off your mortgage that you have.
Okay.
Right now about 40% of seniors are still making a payment in retirement, and if we can stop doing that, we help folks out a lot more with the cost of gas and things like that going up. So that proposal is key in that it explains the process, and it's a little package we give you
Uh-huh.
with some charts and graphs and all that fun
Okay.
stuff. But I go over it in detail, and it shows you what the HECM or the FHA home equity conversion mortgage will do for you.
So you mentioned briefly a couple different kinds of proposals you could do. You could do one to buy a home,
Mm-hmm.
or to refinance an existing home.
Exactly.
So you can use it more than one way.
Depends on what you want to do
Okay.
with your if you're purchasing a home, you've been out with Darren and got a house all worked up and you're ready to go. By putting on the older end 30% down, on the younger end like me 70% down,
Mm-hmm.
you can get a home without a payment. So if you put it extends your buying power, in my case, by 30%, or if you're in your 80s or 90s, it extends it by 70%. So you can buy a much nicer house than you could, or you keep more cash in your pocket. Again, the proposal will show you all that stuff. Fitting your needs, we tailor it to what you want.
So you take some time to really get to know what the borrower's needs
Oh,
are.
absolutely. We can't do this without knowing what you want, what your goal is in life. Do you want age in place? You're looking for a new place. You want to move closer to family.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the things that as you retire, as you get a little bit older, you got to consider: is this house the right house for us?
Okay. All right.